Fix network adapter crashing in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Method 1. Run the network adapter troubleshooter. Method 2. Re-enable the network adapter. Method 3. Update the network driver. An outdated or defective network adapter driver is one of the most common reasons behind network crashes. If this is the case, updating your network drivers can resolve the issue. Method 4. Reset network. Method 5. Reset Windows. If none of the previous solutions resolve the issue, consider resetting Windows. Keep in mind that this is a time-consuming process, as the Windows reset will remove all your apps and require reinstallation.